So here I have a portable cordless water dental flosser. This flosser has 5 modes, comes with 5 jet tips. It's an all water flosser for teeth cleaning and teeth health. So this is help prevent bad breath, bleeding gums, dental plaque. So with the 5 cleaning modes, it will definitely meet your cleaning needs. So it has super high, which is a high frequency pulse that gives a deep cleaning. You got regular high, strong water pressure, efficient cleaning. Medium, standard water pressure, suitable for most people. And I tell you, the high was pretty intense. So this has a wide range. So if you really need that super high frequency, you got it. And if you want it a little bit more gentle, you got the medium, the soft. If you have sensitive teeth, and you have a very low setting, and just massages the gums to relieve other symptoms. So it goes up to 140 psi, so it's very powerful, and as low as 40 psi. And the buttons are really simple to use. It's a non-slip design, meaning it has a nice grip on your hand, and it's easy to take in and out the nozzles. You just slide them in till it clicks, and to release the nozzle, you press the nozzle release button at the top. And it comes with an array of attachments, which is the tongue scraper, the tip nozzle, ordinary nozzles, 2 of them, and an orthodontist nozzle that can be used for braces. So one pro tip here is that it's best used in the shower, because over the sink, if you're not used to it, it could get a little sloppy, but that's because it's very powerful. So you could turn it in all different degrees, up to 365 degrees without dead ends, because it has a unique gravity ball design. So the water tank is easily filled with the little trapdoor in the back, and it also can be removed for cleaning. It comes with a convenient watertight carrying case. This way you could bring it on your trips. And what can I say about this? This is a great cordless rechargeable flosser that gives you that extra level of health and dental care that you're looking for, and it's great to use in the shower.